So, good evening, good evening, and it is a good evening. If you're a Spaniard, they keep harvesting trophies, guys. They keep winning finals. Life's good. Oh, but Lee, they're losing. Oh, you're in the mud. Yeah, how did that work out, guys? Spain just keep winning. It's nice. It's not like watching England. Yeah, it's not like watching Arsenal. Watching Real Madrid and watching Spain, feet up, cigars out, chill. Chill. We're just chilling. Life's good. Smash the like button. Make sure you are subscribed. I will be back on here for the Community Shield, the curtain raiser for the first game of the season, really. Yeah, the English Super Cup. No, it's not. It's a glorified friendly, played under friendly rules. It's not like all the other leagues. However, we will be back on here for Man City to slap up Man United at 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. Spanish time. So 2:30 p.m. UK time. I will be back on here for that game. We will also be doing a live stream or an upload, depends how I feel, on the main channel. Bless up to everyone who locked into the watch along. Make sure you smash a like on the video, sub to the channel. Road to 50. I want 50k by New Year's Eve, and trust me, by hook or by crook, we're getting it. We're getting it, because guess what? I will never miss my lucky day, bruv, because I turn up every day. You know what I'm saying? That's how we roll. But anyway, Pedro Neto, we need to have a conversation. Man like Pedro Neto, I've said for years, this guy is the best winger in the Premier League. Oh, but Lee, he's always injured. And that's factually incorrect, isn't it? He's not always injured, is he? Yeah. And when he's not injured, he is genuinely the best winger in the Premier League. And I'm absolutely seething that out of nowhere, here we go, guys. He's going to Chelsea. How? Why aren't we signing him? Why aren't Spurs signing him? Why aren't Man United signing him? Why aren't Liverpool signing him? Why ain't nobody? But Chelsea, yo, 60 million euros, boom, job done. 3 million in add-ons, straight to Chelsea. Out of nowhere, by the way. Nobody was linked to this guy apart from Tottenham. Yeah. Henry talks Arsenal. Yeah, the Arsenal terrace. They want to link everyone to Arsenal. That's cool. It gets them the most views. That's how they roll. That's up to them. Shameless and all of that. Yeah. However, yeah, this guy wasn't really linked to anybody but Tottenham, really. And this stinks of a hijack. I can't lie. Yeah, this is almost like Tottenham have done a deal with this guy, and then Chelsea got wind of it and went, yo, what, you signing for them? No mas, no. Hijo de puta, come. Yo, you're coming here, bruv. Yeah, because this was too immaculate. The way Chelsea have done this is crazy. Yeah, literally, we get the Chelsea are in for Pedro Neto. 25 minutes later, here we go, guys. It's done. Yeah, this tells me that Tottenham had that deal wrapped up. And this is the history of the Tottenham. Yeah, Chiellini told us 6 years ago, they're shit. They will always be shit. Yeah, and for me, Tottenham had this deal wrapped up. And then Chelsea got wind of it. And he went, yeah, we'll go Chelsea, bruv. Yeah, I'm absolutely seething. I can't lie, because Arsenal needs somebody to help Bukayo Saka out. Yeah, somebody that can play left wing, play right wing. Yeah, could even play as a false nine. The guy's one of the most technically gifted footballers in world football. Yeah, he's rapid, he's direct. Yeah, he can dribble properly. Oh, but yeah, he's always injured. Yeah, he's had 2 big surgeries, ACL left, right, and center. Yeah, hamstring injuries, cool. But at the same time, when you look at Chelsea now, you're looking at them slightly differently. Cole Palmer, baller, right wing. Pedro Neto, baller, left wing. Jackson's a little bit off key. Yeah, a little bit erratic. Yeah, but at the same time, he still scores goals. And then they've got Nkunku at number 10. All of a sudden, you're going, yo, that attack's lit. Yeah, that attack's stacked. It's decent. Yes, Mudrik's crap. Yes, Sterling's crap. Madueke's crap. Yeah, Samu, they've just brought. What a waste of money that is, by the way. Absolute dead baller. But you're looking at that 4 right there, and you're going, yo, that's a bit of a problem. Then you go into their midfield. They've got Lavia, they've got Caicedo, they've got Enzo, and you're like, okay, cool. It's not as good as the attack. But now you go backline. That's where they're finished, Chelsea. Their goalkeeper, yeah, or goalkeepers. They've got about 9 of the fuckers. Yeah, and their defense, their centre backs are done. Yeah, and I still expect Chelsea not to really break in above 6th. I think they'll be 6th. I think that's the highest they can get, especially if they take the Conference League seriously. But at the same time, why did Arsenal not buy this guy? Yeah, it's jarring. It's very jarring. It's another one that's got away. We've got James Maddison at Spurs. Yeah, he's going to win fuck all. Baller. We've got Pedro Neto gone Chelsea. They're in the gutter, really. Yeah, although they've signed $1 billion and one. They've had a here we go, by the way, every single day this week. Every day. But where's Henry Talks Arsenal or the Arsenal terrorists? No Chelsea talk. It's all about Arsenal. It's all about Arsenal, guys. Arsenal have signed 1 player all summer. Chelsea has signed 9 this week. But don't worry, guys. There's no chat from these clickbait merchants. No chat. So Henry Talks Arsenal, you carry on, bruv. Yeah, the Arsenal terrorists. Big up Terence Flowers. Big up to you. No Chelsea are scary, dangerous, scintillating, world-class champions elect, because that don't get clicks in it. Yeah. However, Madders is at top Spurs, wasting his career, and now Pedro Neto is probably going to waste his career away at Chelsea, and I'm fuming. Yeah, the last one of my ballers is Ivan Toney. Yeah, nobody's gone in for him yet, although top Spurs are linked to him. Yeah, I swear down, I can't have him at... no, please. No, what are we doing here, bruv? All of my ballers are going to shit clubs. Meanwhile, Super Duper Mick, yeah, and Super Duper Edu, yeah, are sitting there waffling about, well, you know, when we came into the club, yeah, we had players that were 26, 27 years old, and with respect, they weren't really performing. Now we've got 22, 23, 24-year-olds. Oh, and guess what? Hijo de puta. They're underperforming more than that lot. 1 trophy in 5 years. Whereas the 27, 26, 28-year-olds, with respect from Edu, yeah, were underperforming. Well, they won 2 trophies in the 5 years before Super Duper Mick and Super Duper Edu. But don't worry, guys. It is what it is. But yeah, Chelsea are a weird one. I can't lie. I look at Chelsea's squad and I just think, like, they've got so many players. And I know it's been fabricated, yeah, because they've put in some of the youth team players and this and that. But genuinely, that front line, Cole Palmer's a baller. Yeah, he won't be at Chelsea much longer. They're going to spin a profit on him. Yeah, and if I'm him, by the way, yeah, sorry to burst the bubble, Chelsea fans. If I'm Cole Palmer, I'm phoning my agent and saying, get me out of it. Yeah, because he's way too good for Chelsea. Pedro Neto, bro, what are you doing? Like, real talk, why are you going to Chelsea? Yeah, I'm devastated he's gone there. That is my favourite winger in the Premier League. Yeah, Savio is the 2nd best winger in the league, just signed from Girona. Well, Troyes via Girona. Yeah, but I'm fuming. Then we've got James Maddison at top Spurs. If Ivan Toney goes anywhere near top Spurs, oh my days. Meanwhile, don't worry, guys. We've got 29 up front. Yeah, we got Gabby Jesus. We got Starboy. Yeah, good one. It's going well, isn't it, guys? Yeah, I'm absolutely fuming. Like, real talk. Yeah, it's jarring. It's absolutely jarring. I'm seeing all these players moving from different clubs. Dovbik, he's just gone to Roma, 30 M's. Yeah, Morata, whether you think he's a donkey or not, for £11 million, that's a different outlet for Arsenal, different type of player. Yeah, and we've let him go to AC Milan. Yeah, then I'm seeing all these other players. Sorloth, another one. Yeah, just signed for Atleti from Villarreal. And it's like, bro, 30 M's. Yeah, we're seeing Julian Alvarez. Yeah, I don't think he's worth the money, however. Yeah, but again, why are all these other clubs buying forwards? Yeah, and Man United have signed 2 players. One's injured for the next 3 to 5 months. Yeah, Arsenal have signed 1 player and he's a defender and we had the best defense in the league. So why are we buying another defender, bro? Every fucking motherfucker on the planet, yeah, and their dog, not called Win. That's something we can't do, obviously. Obviously, Spain can because they're elite. Yeah, but every MFer on the planet knows that Arsenal need an attacker. They need a striker. Piers Morgan today tweeted Fabrizio and said, "Good morning, Fabrizio. Are Arsenal going in for an attacker?" And he said, "No, midfield is a priority." Why? Why are we buying a midfielder that's good at defensive capabilities and can't pass the ball forward? Why are Arsenal buying a defender when we had the best defense in the league? Bro, Man City scored more goals than Arsenal last season by a fucking striker. Yeah. Man United, they need midfielders. Yeah, they need midfielders. Real talk. They need a midfielder. They need a creative midfielder. Yeah, Tottenham, fair enough, they're going to got Dominic Solanke today. Yeah, Dominic Solanke's bang average. However, he'll do all right at Tottenham, but Tottenham as a football club ain't going to win anything. They're shit, and they've been shit my entire lifetime. Yeah, until they get rid of Enoch, yeah, Joe Lewis, yeah, and Daniel Levy, they're dusted. They're finished. They ain't going to win nothing with that lot. Yeah, then I look at Liverpool. They've not signed a single player. It's like you've got a brand new manager, Klopp's left. They're now doing it for Arnie. Ayla, all right, mate. They're doing it for Arnie Slot. Yeah, there's plenty of slots in Liverpool. Yeah, trust me, la. Yeah, they ain't signed a single player. How many of these teams are trying to overtake Man City? Because even with Julian Alvarez leaving, they're still going to win the league. They've got Savio in there now. Absolute bad man. That guy is such a good footballer. It's crazy. And Man City have got a little saying up their sleeve. What have Arsenal got up their sleeve? What have Liverpool got up their sleeve? Zubamendi? Cool. I think him and McAllister are cook. However, that ain't going to win him a title. Yeah, what have Tottenham got up their sleeve? What's Dominic Solanke? Well, is that going to win him a title? Like, let's be real with it. They've still got Timo Werner running around like a crackhead. They've still got Brennan Johnson, who I don't know how he's made a career. Kulusevski, Son's on his way out. Yeah, and Richarlison. Like, come on, what are we doing here, mate? Yeah, these football clubs, yeah. Fair play to Chelsea. They've pulled this one out the bag. And out of all the crap players they've signed this summer and the previous summer and January, yeah, this is actually a player that I'm gutted they've signed. Because I look at all the other players they've signed and I'm just like, boy, who the hell is this guy? Who the fuck is that guy? Yeah, this one, they've signed a bad boy. I can't lie. They've signed a proper footballer here. Yeah, and I'm fuming because he's now on what, a 6-year contract at Chelsea. It's like, bruv, it's jarring. Yeah, Arsenal could have signed him for 60 million euros, which is what, 50 million pounds. Ivan Toney, 40 million pounds. That's 100. Yeah, straight away we're sorted. Elise, 45. 145. Paulinho, 50. 195. Get rid of Eddie. Get rid of Smith Rowe. Get rid of a few others. All of a sudden, I'll be sitting there as an Arsenal fan going, yo, we could actually win the title. Instead, I'm looking at it thinking, well, Man City are doing 5 in a row then, isn't it? Yeah, let me know if you disagree. Yeah, maybe you do disagree. Yeah, if you're a Liverpool fan, let me know your thoughts. Man United, Man City, I bet you lot are laughing. Pep's pissing himself. Chelsea, what do you make of all the signings? Obviously, Pedro Neto is the baddest baller you've signed all summer. And when you get rid of Lukaku and Kepa, obviously the books will be balanced the other way as well. But yeah, top Spurs, let me know. I'm actually seething. I can't lie. I'm absolutely devastated that they've signed Pedro Neto. Yeah, I've been repping this guy for time. And now I've got to watch him running around in a blue shirt, man. Fucking jarring. Honestly, it's jarring. It's very jarring. But at least Spain are elite. Yeah, at least they win. Yeah, and if you can hear that, it's my aircon dripping. Yeah, can you hear that? It's Top Gooners. Drip, drip, drip. And listen, bless up to everyone who's locked in. Smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. We're back on here for the Community Shield. And yeah, I'll have a video out on the main channel at some point. But yeah, we're out of here. Seething. It's all over. Pedro fucking Neto to Chelsea, bro. Yeah, I'm devastated. Honestly, real talk, I'm seething. Yeah, that guy should not be at Chelsea. Not this current version of Chelsea. Yeah, this guy should not be at this version of Chelsea. Yeah, this is not Chelsea. We're out. Laters. Everyone out.